Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need NFC and Android Beam turned on. Go to Settings, tap Connections, then enable NFC and Android Beam. Once done, unlock your phone so background sensors respond. Make sure your screen stays awake. Open the item you intend to share, a photo, contact card, or web page, and keep it visible. Hold your phone upright and ready. Tap the backs of both phones gently. You will feel a short vibration when the devices detect each other. An Android Beam is ready to transfer. Once the phones vibrate, you will see an Android Beam prompt. Press and hold the screen to initiate the send. You do this because Beam uses a brief NFC handshake to negotiate a faster Bluetooth or Wi-Fi direct transfer, so confirm the action when prompted. Make sure to keep the devices aligned and close, 1 to 2 centimeters, and steady to avoid interrupted pairing. Monitor the progress indicator if the file is large. Expect a longer transfer time as the connection switches to the faster channel. To finish, wait for the confirmation tone or message and then gently separate the devices. You must not pull them apart too early or the transfer may abort. If the send fails, turn NFC off, wait 3 seconds, then turn it back on and try again. This resets the handshake quickly. For persistent issues with large files, ensure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi Direct is enabled and paired correctly because Android Beam handoff relies on those radios for speed. That often resolves stalls or incomplete transfers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.